Seniors, this oil improves blood flow in your legs fast. If you're over 60, it's crucial to pay close attention to your legs. You might be experiencing a gradual decline in circulation without even realizing it. That feeling of heaviness, numbness, or a noticeable slowness in your walking gait isn't just a consequence of aging. It's often a direct indicator of poor blood flow. What if a single, readily available oil used correctly could significantly improve circulation starting today? This information could fundamentally change how your legs feel. If you're in your 60s or beyond and have noticed dizziness upon standing, persistently cold feet even in a warm environment, or heavy legs at night, it's time to stop dismissing these as mere signs of getting older. These are urgent signals from your blood vessels, calling out for attention and support. The gradual onset of poor circulation is a common experience. It develops as inflammation silently builds within the arteries, gradually reducing their efficiency. When vital oxygen and nutrients struggle to reach essential parts of the body like the brain, heart, and legs, the body reacts with symptoms such as fatigue, numbness, extremities that feel cold, and even a general sense of mental fogginess. The encouraging news is that this progression is not irreversible. Scientific research points to specific natural fats, particularly certain oils, that have the capacity to reduce inflammation, strengthen the delicate lining of blood vessels, and promote smoother blood flow. Reflect for a moment on the oils you currently incorporate into your diet. For many years, the prevailing advice was that all fats were detrimental, leading many to embrace highly processed vegetable oils. Unknowingly, this shift could have exacerbated inflammation and contributed to arterial stiffening over time. The foods we consume daily have a profound, albeit quiet, impact on our circulatory system, either fostering the relaxation of our blood vessels or pushing them towards damage. Today, we will explore 7 oils that research has consistently linked to improved arterial health and better circulation, along with clear instructions on how to best utilize them. Let's begin with sesame oil, a surprising yet powerful contender. Its unique antioxidant profile, particularly compounds like sesamin and sesamolin, is what makes it stand out. These antioxidants work to shield your blood vessels from oxidative stress, a key factor in arterial damage. By reducing this stress, sesame oil helps to calm the endothelium, the intricate inner lining of your blood vessels responsible for regulating arterial relaxation and contraction. A healthier endothelium facilitates smoother blood flow, ensuring efficient delivery of oxygen to your brain, heart, and legs. Additionally, sesame oil possesses good heat stability, making it suitable for light sautéing or gentle cooking. However, moderation is key. Excessive consumption can add unnecessary calories and may negatively impact lipid balance for individuals managing high triglycerides or cholesterol levels. For most adults focused on circulatory health, limiting intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is a sensible upper limit. Next on our list is avocado oil, a highly recommended choice for its seamless integration into a heart-friendly and circulation-boosting lifestyle. Avocado oil is abundant in omega-9 fatty acids, predominantly oleic acid. This monounsaturated fat has been consistently associated with improvements in cholesterol balance. When oleic acid replaces refined carbohydrates or damaged fats in the diet, it can lead to a reduction in LDL or bad cholesterol while helping to preserve beneficial HDL cholesterol. This metabolic shift directly combats the conditions that contribute to plaque buildup and the narrowing of arteries. Avocado oil also boasts impressive heat stability, allowing it to withstand higher cooking temperatures without breaking down into inflammatory byproducts. This makes it a safe and effective option for sautéing, roasting, and even light pan-searing. From a metabolic standpoint, avocado oil is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Its ability to promote stable blood sugar levels, coupled with its healthy fat content, works synergistically to reduce vascular inflammation. Moving on to number 5, we have virgin coconut oil. This oil can sometimes be a source of confusion due to its unique metabolic properties. Virgin coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are rapidly metabolized by the liver for energy rather than being stored as body fat. This rapid conversion to energy is significant for circulation because excess stored body fat and insulin resistance are closely linked to vascular inflammation and the accumulation of arterial plaque. An especially noteworthy benefit of virgin coconut oil, when consumed in small, controlled amounts, is its potential to raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. HDL plays a vital role in reverse cholesterol transport, essentially helping to remove excess LDL cholesterol from artery walls and return it to the liver for processing. Furthermore, virgin coconut oil exhibits excellent stability when heated, making it less prone to producing harmful compounds during cooking compared to many refined vegetable oils. Despite these benefits, it is still a source of saturated fat. For adults prioritizing heart and circulation health, limiting intake to approximately 1 teaspoon per day is a prudent guideline. At number 4, we encounter black garlic oil, a fascinating example of how food processing can enhance health benefits. Black garlic is created through a slow aging process of fresh garlic under controlled heat and humidity, which significantly amplifies its antioxidant capabilities. A key compound developed during this process is allicin, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing oxidative stress within blood vessels, a major contributor to arterial damage and plaque formation. Research indicates that black garlic oil can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and promote mild vasodilation, encouraging blood vessels to relax and improve circulation. This effect can be particularly helpful for individuals experiencing cold hands and feet or leg heaviness by enhancing blood flow to the extremities and brain. Due to its concentrated nature, black garlic oil is best utilized as a targeted addition to the diet rather than a primary cooking oil. Incorporating a small amount into salad dressings or using it as a dietary supplement can effectively harness its circulation-boosting properties. Claiming the third spot is flaxseed oil, one of the most potent plant-based oils available for vascular health. Flaxseed oil is exceptionally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a form of omega-3 fatty acid crucial for calming inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation within the arterial walls is a primary cause of blood vessel stiffening and a loss of their ability to regulate blood flow smoothly. The omega-3 fatty acids found in flaxseed oil help protect the endothelium, the thin inner lining of blood vessels that governs clotting and vessel tone. A healthy endothelium reduces the risk of abnormal blood clot formation and promotes freer blood movement, which is especially beneficial for those concerned about stroke risk, leg circulation, or the early signs of atherosclerosis. However, flaxseed oil requires careful handling. It is highly sensitive to heat. Cooking with it can destroy its beneficial fats and create harmful byproducts. Therefore, it should always be consumed cold, incorporated into foods like yogurt, salad dressings, or smoothies. Our second-place oil is extra virgin olive oil, a staple in cardiovascular science and extensively studied for its health benefits. Large-scale population studies and clinical trials consistently demonstrate that individuals who consume extra virgin olive oil daily experience a significantly reduced risk of heart disease, in some instances by as much as 40%. The unique properties of extra virgin olive oil stem not only from its fat composition, but also from its high concentration of polyphenols. These natural compounds actively combat inflammation within blood vessels. Polyphenols work by protecting LDL cholesterol from oxidation, a critical step in preventing the formation of arterial plaque. When LDL remains in a less reactive form, it is far less likely to adhere to the arterial wall. Extra virgin olive oil also contributes to a healthier lipid profile overall, aiding in the reduction of total cholesterol while preserving HDL over time. This creates an internal environment that promotes more flexible and responsive arteries. Its versatility is another advantage. It can be used for light cooking without compromising its protective qualities, but it truly excels when consumed raw, drizzled over vegetables, mixed with lemon juice for dressings, or added at the end of the cooking process. For most adults focused on maintaining good circulation and heart health, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily are sufficient to realize its benefits, with consistency being more impactful than sheer quantity. At the pinnacle, number 1, we feature not a single oil, but a synergistic combination, chia seed oil and extra virgin olive oil. When these two are brought together, a remarkably powerful effect occurs within the blood vessels. This pairing unites two distinct yet complementary mechanisms for vascular support. Chia seed oil provides a concentrated source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, while olive oil contributes polyphenols that actively protect and soften the arterial walls. Together, they create a dual action effect that promotes cleaner, more flexible, and more responsive blood vessels. The omega-3s from chia oil help to quell inflammation within the vessel walls and reduce blood viscosity, allowing blood to flow more easily. Simultaneously, the polyphenols in olive oil protect endothelial cells and support nitric oxide signaling, which enables arteries to gently widen and contract as needed. This combined action is particularly beneficial for individuals over 60, a demographic where arterial elasticity often declines, leading to a decrease in peripheral circulation. What makes this combination so appealing is its simplicity and practicality. A daily ritual of 1 teaspoon of chia seed oil mixed with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in warm water, perhaps with a few drops of lemon, can be highly effective. The warm water aids absorption, while the lemon supports digestion and offers mild antioxidant benefits. Clinically, this blend is especially helpful for older adults who notice cold extremities, leg fatigue, or early indicators of reduced peripheral blood flow. It is absolutely critical to understand how to use these oils correctly, as this is where many well-intentioned efforts can go awry. Even the most beneficial oils can lose their therapeutic properties if exposed to excessive heat. High-temperature frying leads to oxidation, and once an oil oxidizes, it can trigger inflammation instead of reducing it. Whenever possible, opt for gentle cooking methods, and using oils raw often yields the most significant vascular benefits. Antioxidants and delicate fatty acids are highly susceptible to light, heat, and air. This is why proper storage plays a surprisingly crucial role in maintaining circulation health. Oils should always be stored in dark glass bottles, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Another common pitfall is overuse. While healthy oils are beneficial, they are still concentrated sources of fat, and more is not always better. For the majority of individuals, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is ample to support cholesterol balance and circulation. Consistency in intake is far more important than the amount consumed. Now, a vital warning regarding oils that may be silently detrimental, especially after the age of 60. Highly refined vegetable oils, such as industrial soybean oil or mass-produced canola oil, are a significant concern. These oils undergo extensive processing, stripping them of beneficial protective compounds and leaving them rich in omega-6 fats, which readily fuel inflammation. This inflammatory load irritates the endothelial lining, making arteries more susceptible to stiffness and plaque formation over time. The widespread use of these oils in packaged foods, restaurant cooking, and even products marketed as healthy exacerbates this problem. Consistent exposure creates a constant background level of vascular stress that the body struggles to repair, particularly as we age. Another major issue involves reheated cooking oils. Oils used repeatedly for frying undergo chemical transformations that generate free radicals and toxic byproducts. These compounds directly damage the innermost layer of blood vessels and impair their ability to relax, further hindering circulation. I also want to caution you about misleading labels. Terms like light oil or cholesterol-free may sound reassuring, but they often indicate highly refined industrial oils that have been deodorized, bleached, and chemically altered. From a preventative health perspective, carefully reading labels becomes an act of self-care. Look for oils labeled cold-pressed or unrefined, as these are more likely to retain their protective polyphenols and stable fatty acids. To summarize the 7 oils beneficial for circulation health. 7. Sesame oil. Its antioxidants protect blood vessels. Recommended intake is 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. 6. Avocado oil. Rich in oleic acid for cholesterol balance, it's heat-stable for cooking. 5. Virgin coconut oil provides MCTs for energy and supports HDL. Limit to 1 teaspoon daily. 4. Black garlic oil. Contains allicin for arterial protection. Use as a supplement or in dressings. 3. Flaxseed oil. The most abundant source of omega-3s. Use cold only in salads or smoothies. 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Its polyphenols reduce inflammation. Consume 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. 1. Chia seed oil combined with extra virgin olive oil. This is a potent combination for maximum circulation support. If there is one takeaway from today's discussion, it is this. A single spoonful of the right oil can function as daily medicine for your heart, brain, and your entire circulatory system. The key lies in selecting the appropriate oil, consuming it at the right time, and using it in a manner that supports, rather than compromises, your blood vessels. My challenge to you is this. Choose one oil from today's list that you haven't incorporated into your routine before. Perhaps it's flaxseed oil, black garlic oil, or the chia and olive oil blend. Commit to using it consistently for 7 days. Observe your body's responses. Do your legs feel lighter when you walk? Is your blood pressure more stable? Are you experiencing improved clarity in your thoughts or more restful sleep? These subtle shifts are indicators that your circulation is improving and your arteries are beginning to respond positively. Then, return to this video and share in the comments which oil you tried and what changes you noticed after those 7 days. Your personal experience will be invaluable in helping other seniors understand the remarkable power of these circulation-supporting oils. If you found this information beneficial, please share it with someone over 60 who is dealing with circulation issues. This simple change could significantly enhance their quality of life. Subscribe to this channel for more evidence-based health guidance specifically tailored for individuals over 60. Remember, let your kitchen become your pharmacy. Replace what no longer serves your health and provide your body with the vital support it needs to thrive as you age. If you desire stronger legs, improved circulation, and greater freedom of movement, do not overlook this. Start using the recommended oils consistently, and you may experience a tangible difference sooner than you anticipate. Your body possesses an incredible capacity for healing, regardless of age. Take proactive steps today and give your legs the support they truly deserve. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.